Welcome back to Island Life Live. Champions for Hawaii's families for 126 years. Child and Family Service, or CFS, is a Hawaii-born, impact-driven, community-based organization.
And this month, CFS is shining a light on child abuse prevention, calling on the community to get informed and take action. Here to update us on what exactly CFS is doing is President and CEO of Child and Family Service, Amanda Pump. Aloha, Amanda.
Hi,
welcome back.
Thank you.
And also joining her is Robert Boyack. He's our CFS Director of Oahu Programs. Mahalo for being here.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
All right, Amanda, let's jump into things right here. We've been learning a lot about what you folks do and how you folks advocate for families. How you work tirelessly for them. Can you talk a little bit about intervention?
Sure.
And it's particularly strategies to help families and keiki after the abuse has happened?
Yeah, so I think the most important part of treatment or strategy is being non-judgmental, right? You know, these families coming in, they need help. They're part of our community. And, you know, a lot of them have these generational cycles of hurt. So there's that saying, hurt people,
Mm-hmm.
right? And so a lot of times when we haven't healed ourselves from experiences that we had in childhood, they unintentionally creep up, and we might kind of react or behave in the way that the people that hurt us towards our children. So I think number one is be non-judgmental, be empathetic. These are our community, and we assume the best intention, and then from there help people heal, because children deserve a parent that's mindful, that is present, and that we assume that families and can all be strengthened, right? And so our services are really open to anyone that needs help strengthening their family.
I like that. Non-judgmental and mindful. Very, very good tips. Thank you so much. Robert, let's ask you what types of treatment or intervention can be offered, and what can we do as a community to help?
Yeah, just so I could piggyback off what Amanda was saying, at Child and Family Service, we have an array of services that could support parents. We have a hotline that could provide advice to parents on different parenting tips. We offer counseling, supportive services. We offer supervised visitations, and an array of services that you could also find on our website too as well. Our website has it's childandfamilyservice.org, and that has an array of tips and links to different community services, as well as services within CFS that be able to support, give you some tips on parenting.
It's a very comprehensive website. I mean, you guys have seems like 1 million links to help a lot of
resources.
people. Yeah, a lot of resources.
Yeah.
And I want to ask you about that hotline, that tip hotline. Is that 24 hours, or is there an hour, a window?
It's usually 9 to 6.
Okay.
And folks can call anonymously. That's like the beauty of it. You don't have to give your name. We don't ask for your name. They can also chat with us, and they don't have to release any information.
Okay.
And then on the website itself, you can go into a text or chat platform and ask your questions. So again, non-judgmental. I myself am a parent. I used our own service before to get resources for my kids. So
Got you.
yeah.
Now, real quick, we've only got about 30 seconds, but I know that on Monday you folks talked a little bit about the biggest barrier to supporting our children is the lack of reliable data. In what ways will access to this data help?
Yeah, so we need data for a variety of different things, but the most important is how do we allocate our resources here in Hawaii without understanding the needs of each community?
Gotcha.
And so CFS, we collect data across 21 social determinants of health, and we share that to the public so that each community that has their own unique needs can thrive by allocating state resources and federal resources appropriately.
Wow.
Got it. Man, you folks have so much great information. We love the fact that you folks are going to be back to join us tomorrow.
Yeah,
Yes?
can't wait.
And on tomorrow's show, we're going to dive a little bit deeper, yeah, brother? Into the complexities of abuse in order to understand how to prevent it. So Amanda, Robert, we thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mahalo for joining us. We'll be right back, family.